So, this is my redneck air conditioner that we built. You can see it's just in a cooler, about $5 cooler or something like that, depends on where you buy it. I'm about to change everything out in it and take it back inside. I'm only filming out here on the porch so that it's more light. I don't have much light inside the house. Anyway, this is a water jug. I'll put it back in the freezer. And here is the water jug that's frozen. You can tell there's some frost on the outside of it. This is the fan that we use. Just a little inexpensive fan picked up at any discount store. The labeling on it says it's, of course, 120 volts, 60 hertz, and 0.7 amp. So I've got to try to translate all that into how much it's going to pull off the solar, because I don't know. I don't know if you can see that. It may not be clear. Anyway, it's adjustable so that I can raise this up, set the ice jug in it. Here's the top that we cut out. You can see the ice jug in there. And the fan just sits down over it. Pretty much, it's the way the fan front is built. It doesn't blow out the sides of it or anything. And there's the two holes that we cut. Now we first put these in it, but they point up, and that didn't really help much. We should have gotten just some kind of straight pipes. My son wouldn't pick these up, so I don't know why he picked these elbows up. But anyway, that's what we've got. Maybe we can use them on another project. Yeah, it probably could have come out the top, but there's already holes in the side. Anyway, let's see if I can plug this in with one hand out here and find a little something to put in front of the holes. Use my close-up. Okay, it's plugged in to electricity instead of the solar. And it's got a little switch on the front. You can hear it blowing. When it gets going, it puts out fairly cool air, so it's not bad. I've got a ribbon or a string or something out with me, I guess. Let's see if it's going to leave. It's not a real strong fan, but it will blow. Catching on that. See, put that in there. You kind of see it moving the leaf. It'll blow. And anyway, it cools a small area of the living room, usually where I'm sitting. I'm on the computer and stuff, and of course, portable. As the bottle sweats, it leaks, off the side. And water accumulates in the bottom, so I can just dump that out. Anyway, that's our little redneck air conditioner. I'm thinking that if I had 2 or 3 of these and maybe a smaller fan, that was actually a DC fan or would run less power. That would be better, but this is what I've got. This is what I'm using, and it's adding a good comfort level to inside the house. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.